Hi everyone. Today let's see about integers. So what are integers? You know that whole number, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. So natural number, it starts from 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. So integers are nothing but the whole numbers, but it also includes the negative numbers. So integers have positive numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it goes on, then 0, then negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4 and it goes on. So let's represent these integers on number line. Representation of integers on a number line. So you have 0 here, then here the negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4 until infinity, negative infinity, it goes on. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it goes on till positive numbers. So this is 0 and these, and left side of 0 it is the negative numbers, and to the right of 0 it is the positive numbers. Before seeing addition of integers and multiplication of integers, I will tell you an important concept to remember. When you add two numbers, you add and put plus sign to your answer. When you have a numbers plus minus or minus plus, you will subtract and put a bigger number sign to the answer. Let me explain with an example. Here it is plus 2 and plus 3. So plus 2 plus 3, you will get an answer. 3 plus 2 is 5. So your answer is plus 5. And if you write as 5, a sign, by default, a number is considered to be a positive sign if there is no sign. Okay. Now here it is plus 3 minus 2. So plus 3 minus 2, it is 3 minus 2 is 1. Here the bigger number is 3. So this number is a positive number. It is plus 1, or you can simply mention it as 1. Now if it is minus 3 plus 2, again the difference is same. Minus 3 plus 2, it is 1. But here the bigger number is 3. The number 3 sign is minus. So your answer will have a minus sign. Okay. So when you have a plus and minus numbers, subtract and put a bigger number sign to your answer. Okay. Then if you have minus minus, when you have two negative numbers, add and put a minus sign to your answer. Like minus 3 minus 2 if you had. So 3 plus 2 is 5. You should add these two numbers and put a minus sign to your answer. This is in the case of addition and subtraction of integers. Now let's see about the multiplication. So the rules for multiplication of integers is, when you multiply two numbers, when you multiply the two positive numbers, you will get a positive sign to your answer. That is plus 3 into plus 2. You will get your answer as plus 6. Then if you multiply a positive number with a negative number, the same way, minus into plus. So when you multiply a positive and a negative number, your answer will have a minus sign. Okay. Let me explain with the example. Plus 4 into minus 2. So it is minus 8. Same in the case, minus 3 into plus 2. So it is minus 6. So when you multiply a positive and a negative number, your answer will have a minus sign. If it is minus into minus, when you multiply two negative numbers, you will get a positive number to an answer. That is, your answer will be a positive number. For example, minus 3 into minus 2. So this minus and minus will become plus. 3 2s are 6. Okay. So these are the things you should keep in mind while solving the addition, subtraction and multiplication of integers. So let's see few problems in addition of integers. Here the first question is 9 plus of minus 6. So 9, here plus into minus is minus 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Here 5. So plus into minus is minus. So 5 minus 11. Here you have a positive number and a negative number. So when you have plus and minus, you should subtract. So 11 minus 5 is 6. But here the bigger number is 11 and bigger number sign is minus. So your answer will have a negative sign. Okay. Now the third one, minus 10. Here it is plus 19. So 19 minus 10. 19 minus 10, it is 9. Here 19 is the bigger number. So 19 is a positive number. So your answer will have a positive sign. Okay. Next, minus 380 plus into minus. Plus into minus 270 will become minus 270. Here you have two negative numbers. Okay. So when you have two negative numbers, you need to add. So minus 380 minus 270, 8 plus 7, 15, 6. So when you have two negative numbers, your answer will have a negative sign. Okay, you should add and put a negative sign to the answer. The next one, it is minus 217 plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus 100. So minus 217 minus 100. Again you have two negative numbers. So you need to add and put minus to the answer. Okay. So when you have two negative numbers, you should put a negative sign to your answer. When you have plus and minus, that is when you have a positive number and a negative number, it should be the bigger number sign to your answer. So here minus 13. Then plus into minus, it is minus 18. So you have two negative numbers. So 8 plus 3, 11, it is 31. Two negative numbers, so add minus to your answer. So minus 31. Okay. When you have a positive and negative number, your answer should have the bigger number sign. In this case, it is 9 positive number. That is bigger number, so your answer has a plus sign. Here the bigger number is 11, it has a negative sign, so your answer is having minus. If you face question like this, find the sum minus 7 plus of minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. So minus 7 plus into minus is minus 9, then 4 and 16 are positive numbers. So 16 plus 4 is 20. So here you have two negative numbers. When you have two negative numbers, you need to add and put minus sign to the answer. So 9 and 7, if you add, you will get 16 and put minus sign to the answer. So now you have a positive number and a negative number. So 20 minus 16 is 4. So the bigger number is 20 and 20 is a positive number. So your answer has positive sign. So it is plus 4. Next. So 37 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 65 plus of minus 8. So here 37 plus into minus is minus 2 plus into minus is minus 65 plus into minus is minus 8. Okay, so 37. All the three numbers are negative numbers. So you need to add all these numbers, then put a minus sign to the answer. So it is minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 and it is minus 75. So you have a positive number here, there is no sign. So by default a number without a sign is considered as a positive number. So it is minus 75 plus 37. So 15, this will become 6. So 8, 6 and 3, the difference is 3. The bigger number is 75. 75 is having a negative sign. So your answer is minus 38. Find 35 minus 20. So here 35 minus 20. 35 is a positive number and 20 is a negative number. So as I told you, plus and minus. You should subtract and then put the bigger number sign to your answer. So here it is 15. Bigger number is 35. So your answer is plus 15. Then minus 20. Here minus 13. So simply if you write 13, that is a positive number. Okay. You can represent plus 13 or simply 13. Both are considered as positive numbers. So it is minus 13. So when you have two negative numbers, you should add and put negative sign to your answer. So it is minus 33. 23. So minus into minus. In a multiplication, minus into minus is plus. Okay. So 23 plus 12. So if you add 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 1, 3. So 35. When you add two positive numbers, your answer is going to be a positive number. Okay. So minus 32. Minus into minus, again it is plus 40. So here you have a positive and a negative number. So 40 minus 32. So it is 8. Bigger number is 40. So bigger number, that is, 40 has a positive sign. So your answer is going to be a positive number. Now, fill in the blanks with comparison signs. Okay, like greater than, less than or equal to sign. Now you have minus 3 plus of minus 6. Minus 3 of minus 6. So see, minus 3. Plus into minus is minus 6. And here it is minus 3. Minus into minus is plus 6. Okay. Here both are negative numbers. So you will be add and put a negative sign. Here it is positive and a negative. So subtract and put a bigger number sign. So it is 3. Okay. Bigger number is 6. So it is plus 6. So which number is going to be? Always the positive number is greater number. Okay. Compared to, so positive number is a greater number. So you are going to put a sign. That is minus 9 is less than this positive number. Okay. Now minus 21, minus and minus is going to be plus. So minus 21, 10 is 11. Bigger number is 21, so it has a negative sign. Your answer will have a negative sign. Here it is minus 31, plus into minus is minus 11. Okay, when you have two negative numbers, you will add. So 1 plus 1, 2 and 3 plus 1, 4. Your answer is also going to have a negative sign. See here both the numbers are negative number. In positive number, actually in a positive number, if you have 11, 42, you will say this 42 as a bigger number. Okay. But in the case of a negative number, okay, this minus 11 is going to be the greater number compared to minus 42. Okay. then minus 25 minus into minus is plus 42. So positive and a negative number you need to subtract and put a bigger number sign. So it is plus 17 and here it is minus 42. Minus into minus is plus 25. Okay, so minus 42 plus 25. So it is also 17 and the bigger number is minus 42. So your sign will be minus 17. Here it is plus 17 and here it is minus 17. So always the positive number is going to be the bigger number. Okay. So plus 17 and minus 17. It is positive number is greater. Fill in the blanks. So minus 8 plus by what number if you add you will get a 0. So minus 8 and plus 8 will cancel. You will get an answer 0. Okay. Same way here you have a positive 13. So it will be minus 13. So you will get the answer 0. So positive 12 and a negative 12 you will get 0. Here you have minus 4 and here you have minus 12. So with minus 4 if you add minus 8, you will get minus 12. So here it is negative 8. Okay. Same way. Here you get minus 10. See minus 15 is there. So what number should come here? It is 5. Okay. Because 5 minus 15. 15 is a bigger number and it has negative sign. So it is minus 10. You can try these sums and leave your answers in the comment box. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.